Shine brighter, best 10 LED headlights for car enthusiasts. Number 1. Bajado pair of super bright LED headlight. The Bajado pair of super bright LED headlights stands out as an impressive addition to any vehicle. Designed for optimal performance and durability, these headlights are a testament to Bajado's commitment to quality engineering and innovation. With a specific use for headlight applications in cars and tractors, these LED headlights deliver a level of brightness that ensures superior visibility in various driving conditions. The incorporation of waterproof technology further enhances their reliability, making them suitable for use in diverse environments. The clear glass lens not only provides a sleek and modern aesthetic, but also ensures the efficient projection of light, contributing to overall safety on the road.
Number 2. Round VX Motorcycle LED Headlight. The Round VX Motorcycle LED Headlight by Vision X Lighting is a game changer for motorcycle enthusiasts. This innovative headlight not only provides superior illumination with its LED technology, but it also boasts a sleek and modern design that complements the aesthetic of any motorcycle. The black and chrome color options add a touch of customization, allowing riders to match the headlight to their motorcycle's style. The waterproof feature is a standout benefit, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions and extending the product's durability. As a motorcycle-specific headlight, it caters to the unique needs of riders, offering enhanced visibility on the road and contributing to overall safety.
Number 3. Nilight TL3512 PCS Motorcycle RGB LED Light. The Nilight TL3512 PCS Motorcycle RGB LED light offers an impressive array of features designed to enhance both the aesthetic appeal and safety of motorcycles. Its multicolor LED strips provide a vibrant and customizable lighting solution, making it ideal for riders seeking to personalize their vehicles. The use of RF connectivity technology ensures convenient and reliable control of the lights, allowing riders to effortlessly adjust the lighting effects while on the go. Additionally, the inclusion of 12 pieces of LED lights in the package provides ample coverage for various areas of the motorcycle, ensuring comprehensive illumination.
Number 4. Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights. The Nilight RGB LED rock lights are a game changer for anyone looking to add flair to their vehicle. With its sleek black color and pod form factor, these lights are designed to enhance the look of your vehicle from the bottom up. The inclusion of RGB LED lights allows for a wide spectrum of colors, giving you the ability to customize your vehicle's look to your heart's content. Whether you're looking to match your vehicle's existing color scheme or stand out with vibrant, contrasting hues, the Nilight Rock Lights have got you covered. What sets these rock lights apart is their Bluetooth connectivity technology, which simplifies the customization process.
Number 5. Nilight Truck Running Board Lights. The Nilight Truck Running Board Lights are a game changer for truck owners seeking enhanced visibility and style. With dimensions of 4 into 3 into 0.6 inches, these lights are designed to seamlessly integrate into your truck's exterior, adding both functionality and flair. One of the standout features of these lights is the dual-color design, with 60 inches running board lights available in both white and amber. This versatility allows for customization to suit individual preferences and specific use cases. Whether you're looking for increased visibility on the road or a unique aesthetic touch, the Nilight running board lights deliver on both fronts.
Number 6. Nilight TR04 Truck Tailgate Bar. The Nilight TR04 Truck Tailgate Bar offers a seamless combination of functionality and style for truck owners. Its vibrant red, white, and amber colors ensure maximum visibility and add a touch of modernity to any vehicle. As a rear auto part, it enhances safety by providing clear signaling to other drivers and pedestrians. The included LED tailgate light bar with its Bluetooth connectivity technology takes convenience to the next level. Weighing just 4.96 ounces, this tailgate bar is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to install and reliable for long-term use. Its user-friendly design caters to a wide audience, allowing truck owners of varying technical expertise to enjoy its benefits. Whether used for everyday commuting or off-road adventures, the Nilight TR0...
Number 7. Nilight 2 PCS 6.5-inch 36W Flood LED Light. The Nilight 2 PCS 6.5-inch 36W Flood LED Light. I must commend the brand for delivering a product that aligns with the diverse needs of vehicle owners. The 36W Flood LED light offers a powerful yet energy-efficient lighting solution for a range of vehicles including buses, ATVs, cars, SUVs, UTVs, trucks, tractors, and trailers. The white color of the light adds a sleek and modern touch to any vehicle, complementing its overall aesthetic. The waterproof feature ensures durability and reliability, making it suitable for various environmental conditions, including rain and snow. With item dimensions of 3.54 into 1.57 into 3.54 inches, the Nilight 6.5-inch LED light boasts a compact design that allows for versatile installation, even in tight spaces on vehicles.
Number 8. Nilight RGB IC72 LED Interior Car Strip Lights. The Nilight 2 PCS 6.5-inch 36W Flood LED light is a high-quality lighting solution suitable for various vehicles, including buses, ATVs, cars, SUVs, UTVs, trucks, tractors, and trailers. Its durable construction and waterproof feature make it reliable in various weather conditions. The white color of the lights adds a sleek and modern touch to any vehicle, while the 36W Flood LED provides powerful illumination, enhancing visibility and safety during nighttime or challenging weather. Measuring at 3.54 into 1.57 into 3.54 inches. The compact dimensions of the lights make them easy to install and fit seamlessly into the intended auto part position, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the vehicle.
Number 9. Marsado D1 S HID headlight bulbs. The Marsado D1 S HID headlight bulbs are a top-notch choice for anyone seeking superior illumination and reliability for their vehicle. Designed and manufactured by Marsado, a trusted name in automotive lighting, these bulbs are specifically engineered for use as headlight components, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. With a voltage of 85 volts, these HID bulbs deliver a powerful and consistent light output, enhancing visibility and safety on the road. The precision engineering of these bulbs guarantees a perfect fit and seamless integration into the right auto part position, making installation hassle-free for users. Durability and longevity are key factors in the design of the Marsado D1S HID headlight bulbs, offering users peace of mind knowing that they are investing in a high-quality automotive lighting solution.
Number 10. Torchbeam 7 into 6.5 into 7 LED headlights. The Torchbeam 7 into 6.5 into 7 LED headlights are a reliable and high-performing lighting solution for a wide range of vehicles. With its sleek black color and specific compatibility with various vehicles including Chevy, Freightliner, Peterbilt, and Kenworth models, these headlights are designed to meet the needs of diverse drivers. Equipped with advanced LED technology, the Torchbeam headlights provide exceptional brightness and clarity, enhancing visibility and safety on the road. The efficient light output not only illuminates the driver's path effectively, but also contributes to a modern and stylish look for the vehicle.
These headlights are built to last, with a robust construction that ensures durability and longevity. The plug-and-play design makes installation straightforward, saving time and effort for users.